G'day, here's a parcel of very bright, nice pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge area, I believe from Mulga Fields. Rules in millimetres and it's been wetted. Okay, I've just zoomed in a little bit so you can get a better idea of each piece. Everyone's got colour. A little bit narrow over this side, but it's the nature of the material. Doesn't look like there's opal colour over that side, so you're looking at a stone about that big. Electric blues and greens. Bit of a hollow through the middle there. So looking at probably have to cut it through there to get stone there and stone that side. Possibly. Bit of grinding down will help show you which way to go. It's got black middle kernel, so should give you bright stone. Only a thin bar of colour, but it's on super black material. Disappears under there, but you can see the colour underneath the grey there coming up. This piece might be a vertical piece, I think. Looks like the colour runs across the stone. Two-tone bar there, bluey greens and blues, black base. It's a nice piece, orange golds showing through there on the edge where it's been chipped. Don't know how big that's going to be, that piece. Again, black, jet black potch, bluey greens. Camera's picking that up quite well. It's got a scale over the top, not very thick, but very bright. Lucky last but not least, it's a thicker piece of colour, and it's not so black, the bar of potch, but then again over here it goes on to dark black. So order of the day is cut this off first, grind this down first, see where your colour bar is and where it starts to come, and then you've got an idea of the size stone, and then cut the top off. But all in all, quite a nice little parcel. Get some gemstones out of that, I hope. Cheers.